Hey, what's up, Jesse? It's Devin. Thank you so much for speaking to me earlier, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to really quickly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix so you can start bringing in more customers right away. You're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago that there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, and so they just don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And so the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't really know who is an expert and who isn't. So I found that by just making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners who end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? If you want to do this stuff yourself or if you want any help, either way, it doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to give out free education. I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. And looking at your website, I really love the look of it. You've got a lot of trust logos going on here. It's a really nice, BBB and American Standard. Really nice colors and little animations and stuff. The logo is very unique. It's a really clean and beautiful looking website for sure. Google just doesn't rank you based off of your website's design. They care mostly about content, whatever they can read on here, and that's all the text and whatever your images are saved as. And they want to see a lot of content. So the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words, and it looks like yours is probably sitting at about 500. So I would definitely recommend getting this up to about 2,000 words. Your main competitor is Mid-Cities AC, and you can already see right away like how much content they have. It's very, very dense, right? May not be the best content, but there's a lot more of it. They definitely don't have 2,000 though. So by getting yourself to 2,000 words, you're going to be able to beat them out pretty easily. Okay. You're also going to want to make sure you have keywords on there. So like AC repair North Richland Hills is a very popular keyword for your area. So if I go and type in AC repair, there you go. You have it on the page one single time, which is right here. You don't have North Richland Hills. So you want to make sure you type in like AC repair North Richland Hills somewhere in those 2,000 words. And you can do it 2 or 3 times. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other websites vouching for you. Keep in mind though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if there's other HVAC companies linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. And so the tool that I'm using to check out backlinks, it's called Ahrefs. You don't have to use it. There are a bunch of free tools out there. I just like to pay for it because it's really helpful for my industry. But it gives you a lot of really valuable data, like the title of your page and stuff like that. It says you've been around since July of 2018, or at least you've started getting links around then. You have 17 websites currently linking to you. If you want to beat Mid-Cities AC, it's pretty easy. They're only sitting at 59. That's 42 more than you. I wouldn't just go get 42 and match them. I would blow them out of the water, go get a whole 59 more on top. And the best way to do that is to copy them. Go see all these different websites that are linking to them. Either create a profile on their page and or create a profile and put a link in the profile back to your homepage, or you can click the contact us button and ask them to get a link to your site just like they did. Whichever way you want to go is fine. But if you beat them with the content and you beat them with the amount of websites linking to you, that's how you take over the organic section down here. If you want to get into the ad section, you just have to pay for it. And the last place you can show up is right here, which leads me to my 3rd tip, how to get into the Google My Business section. To get here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. And a citation is anywhere where your exact name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. A directory is just a website like Yelp or Yext or White Pages or Yellow Pages, just somewhere where you can like list your business's information. What I would do is figure out what directories these guys are listed in, list yourself in those exact same ones, and add a bunch more on top. Like if Same Day AC was in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I try to keep it short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 2,000 words on this homepage with exact match keywords, something that somebody would type into Google finding you, like AC repair North Richland Hills. You're going to want to have more websites linking to you than Mid-Cities. I'd say to get a total of like 70 to 80. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Same Day AC. And by following these 3 tips, you'll be number 1 across all of Google. Now, you have 2 options of what you can do. You can take this information, you can do it yourself, you can rank yourself to the top of Google and make a ton of money. And I hope you do that. There's a lot of people out there that really benefit from this. And my goal is just to educate as many people as I can. And I'd really love to hear your feedback on what you thought about this video. If you do want any help getting this done, or if you just want to, continue running your business, you don't want to have to worry about this stuff, give me a call. I'll see if I can help you. And if I'm not able to help you, I'll at least guide you in the right direction on where to go. But either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much. Bye.